Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink and today's topic is The Healer by Carlos Santana and John Lee Hooker. Probably know the song, I think it's from the mid-90s or early 90s. I really love that song when it came out. I played a lot along with the song. And let's check it out today. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button to get a message when a new video is uploaded or a live stream is taking place. The Healer, I just learned it. I tabbed it out here. I have the sheet music. I'm going to do sight reading. Sorry guys for that. I'm going to play the main theme, but we're going to check out the rhythm guitar, the intro, the second rhythm guitar, and the main theme, which I'm going to play for you now that you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, sorry guys, I really just learned this, I made sight reading here. Yeah, so let's check out the different, there are three guitars. First the intro, then the rhythm guitar, and then the theme which I just showed. Let's get started. By the way, this is an original thing from Mexico. You guys from Mexico probably recognize it. Yeah. So, let's check this out. The intro is played by John Lee Hooker. I recognize his style. And it's really, well, it's not so hard to play. It's a D minor 7 here, first fret E string, second fret G string. We just move it up 2 frets and back. So, and the rhythm is like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's the main figure. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And then comes a little single note line. Comes in 4 and 3rd fret, hammer onto 5th, and then bar it to 5th. And then comes this here. And then bending here the 5th fret on the D string. Release 3, 3, 5. And then hammer on 3 to 5. Pull off 3 to 0. And twice. So the whole thing is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's the whole thing. And this repeats itself twice, and that's the intro. It's not totally original sound. There's a chorus effect on the guitar. I was too lazy now to switch on the chorus. Sorry for that, guys. And it's played on the bridge pickup. Yeah, so that would be rhythm guitar 1. Rhythm guitar 2 is this here. I adapted it from the original, from the keyboard line. Sorry for guys, the backing track doesn't sound totally original because I wasn't able to find the old Yamaha DX7 sound, which is supposedly is one, but I didn't find any, so I just picked something similar. That's why it doesn't really sound totally the way it should. But we're gonna do the rhythm guitar here. It's G minor 7, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 6th fret, middle finger, index finger, ring finger, pinky. And we're playing the same rhythm. 1, 2, then to G13. We just play the high 4 notes. We make a bar in the 3rd fret, middle finger in the 4th, and ring finger in the 5th. without the bass, not because it's not necessary, because there's a bass player. And the rhythm is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's the rhythm how is it played. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then again. And then it resolves to B7. This is here. 6 on the E string, D string, B string, pinky in the 7th. B7, B flat 7, to A7 flat 13, 5th fret, 6th fret with a ring, pinky with the 6th and A string damped. That's how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's the rhythm guitar 2. That's much more to say. The chords are a little bit hard to grab probably, but these are the ones which are used. Good, now most of you are probably waiting for the lead guitar now. I switch now on my Santana sound. Yeah. It is played in the D minor pentatonics in different positions. The good news is this once you know the theme, you just repeat it 1 octave higher. The bad news is it's easy but the last step there is a little bit tricky. Yeah. Good. We start here. Let me switch off the delay here. Okay. Here in the 7th, 7 and 5, 7, we are playing in the D minor pentatonics. It's with this position. Okay, 1. Then the second time it starts in 4 and. Same figure, but it starts in 4 and resolves here in the 6th fret on the B string. Then the same thing comes again, and then comes a resolving motif. We have here 7, 5, and then you need to jump because you need to make a half tone bending. Release on 7 and then a slide. So 1. It's really simple, always in the same position here. Then it starts again. Then it goes up. 7, 6, 7, 8. Bending here on the 8, going back to the 6. And then he's jumping in the position here. Normal G, D minor pentatonics, bending in the 12th. Holds this note. And then 13, 12, bending, release, 10. So that's the first part. I'm going to play it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the first part is finished. Yeah. Then the same thing repeats itself 1 octave higher, so that's good news. Since you know this, the rest is easy going, just the fingering has changed. Now we're here on the 14th fret. 14, 13, 15. See? And now this one is 14, 13, 12, half jump bend. But now he jumps back in position here, 12, 10, 12. Makes this little lick in between. And then he goes back. Then, same thing, 15, 13, 15 bending. And then comes the ending, which is the hardest part probably. Whereas a typical Santana phrase, I must say, you need to get a little bit used to it. I'm not so, as I said, I'm playing this thing here with sight reading, which I just tapped it out. This tremolo picking here between 17 and 20. Two beats. And then it stays on 17. Then either he makes the bending in 20, which is a bit hard for me because my fingers are really thick. Well, they're not thick, but I cannot really play well in these high positions with my fingers. So I would prefer to slide up in 22. You can do that, or you can make the bending. Both works. Yeah, so I'm gonna play it now for you. Sorry guys, I'm in a sitting position. I'm not in the position to do the tremolo picking. If I would play relaxed and not in teaching style, it's not a problem. Because your arm for tremolo picking has to go in the right position. And I'm watching the monitor here that I'm staying in the picture. So it's not so easy as you might think. Yeah, so that was, I'm gonna play once again. That is C, and then yeah, so that was the healer. Once again, for the tremolo picking, as I said, I was low before like this, and it's like this tremolo picking doesn't work. You have to be relaxed here, and then it works. It's no problem. If you're like this, it doesn't work because you have to be relaxed out of your arm, you know. And that's the main trick about this, to switch. But it's a really typical Santana thing. Good. One more to say, that's about it. It's a really cool song, check it out. If you want to have the tabs and the backing track, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there because that's the only social media I'm doing now. There's a community there, there's a free account, you can discuss with others, follow my newsfeed, what I'm doing, stuff like that. I only do newsfeed there anymore. If you want to download the files, you need to make the premium membership upgrade. Please do so to support the work I'm doing for everybody out there. I know it's not every tutorial is for everybody. I try to fulfill everybody's needs. And so somehow it's a low price, I think, for what you get. and this way you can help to keep this thing going on in these times. And music and guitar playing is really a good thing to keep in good mental health and to have something to look forward to. So you're supporting yourself, everybody else, and me and Dr. Pink as well. So do the premium membership upgrade if you can, and if not, just make the basic membership for free and just join there and follow and discuss stuff like that. Good. If you go on the page where there's the link in the description box, you scroll down, you also see the reviews on Google. Please write me a Google review for my academy. I really would appreciate that. One more to say. That's it. I'm gonna play this a little bit more for you now, me and Dr. Pink, and jam a little bit. See you guys.